How to recall a message in Gmail. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you a quick and easy way to recall messages on Gmail. Let me just go ahead and open up a new tab here on Gmail. And once you have your Gmail open, you could just go ahead and compose a new mail. I'll just go ahead and select this option here and then send it to this person. I'll just write the subject, test, then I'll just write random letters. All right, so once you send your message like so, you'll have an option to undo your message, undo your sending, and then it will be unsent or called back. But it's only going to be here for just a few seconds. So if I just send again and leave it as it is, as you can see, the undo or this button is going to disappear after a few seconds. And once this is gone, there is no way to recall your message back. So what you're going to have to do is change the settings. I've already changed it, so it's staying here for a long time. Usually it only stays for 3 to 5 seconds. So what you're going to have to do is find the settings or the gear icon at the top right. Then go to see all settings. And once you do that, you can scroll down here until you find the option for sent messages. So you could go ahead and select this undo send option. The send cancellation period, I've selected 30 seconds already, but usually it's 3 to 5 seconds here. If you have it 5 seconds, it's going to disappear within 5 seconds. So make sure you select this to the highest possible value. And now the undo button is going to be there for 30 seconds, and that's plenty time if you change your mind. So you could just click on undo and you're good to go. And don't forget to tap on save changes at the bottom, and then you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.